Today, we're diving into the world of Italian speed and style. This is the Ferrari you've all been waiting for. Pure performance, iconic design, and heart-pounding acceleration. Just look at it. Sleek lines, aggressive stance, and curves that scream speed. This Ferrari is not just a car, it's our own wheels. Step inside, and you're no longer in a regular car. This is a cockpit designed for speed. The steering wheel feels like it belongs in a race car. Carbon fiber everywhere, sharp digital displays, and seats that hold you like a glove. It's aggressive, luxurious. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. A V8 twin-turbo engine pushing out over 700 horsepower. 0 to 100 in under 3 seconds. This Ferrari doesn't just move, it launches. And just listen to that exhaust note. That's not noise, that's music for car lovers. In our recent drag race, this Ferrari crushed it. Quarter mile in just 10.6 seconds. That's pure supercar performance. Traction, launch control, power delivery, everything was just perfect. We also tested its brakes. And wow, it stopped half a car length before its rival. Sharp, stable, and safe. This Ferrari doesn't just go fast, it stops like a pro too. So if you're looking for a car that combines beauty, brains, and brutal speed, Ferrari is still the king of the road. Like, share, and subscribe for more epic car content. We'll see you in the next one.